Nice place you got here, Shandi.
What are you doing here?
I've been watching this place. I know you're here alone.
Not for long, I'm not, so you better get the...
Don't make this difficult. Bitch! Back off! Back the fuck off!
You think you're walking out of here?
Unless you want a bullet in this bitch, you're goddamn right I am.
Kid, you just made us
You know who the fuck I am?
Seeing as I'm gonna kill you in a few seconds, I don't really give a shit.
Keep your distance!
If you want to see Shandi again, you better come to Cox.
Pierce, listen up. Veteran Child wants me to meet him at Cox.
Think it's a trap?
It's gotta be. I need you to look into other places he might have dragged Shandi to.
I'm on it.
Taking Shandi was about the stupidest thing you could have done.
You think I'm scared of you?
I don't think you're scared. You're stupid enough to think you actually have a chance.
You can't talk to the triple platinum veteran child like that.
I'm gonna enjoy taking you apart.
We'll see about that, won't we?
Where I am by being soft. Well, I called it. No Veteran Child, no Shandi. You find anything on your end?
Yeah, Veteran Child was scheduled to spin it on track tonight. Want me to get a crew and take them out?
Thanks for the offer, but I'm looking forward to doing this one on my own. So, you're at On Track, huh?
Oh, shit.
I always thought it was kinda a shitty nightclub, but hey, who am I to judge?
Fuck me.
I want you to know that I'm coming for you, Veteran Child, and when I get there, I'm putting a bullet in your worthless skull.
Can't be fucking happening.
See you soon, sweetie.
When you're rising, them keep falling. So sing again, inside. Kill them with you know. Just make a boy know you're not blow. Inside. Kill them with you know. No boy can't take a you fit my piece of wabo. Inside. Kill them with you know. Just make a boy know you're not blow. Inside. Kill them with you know. Them not no secret for you. And sing again, inside. Kill them with you know. Just make a boy know you're not blow. Inside, kill him with the know. No boy can't take a you fit my piece of go inside. Kill him with the know. Just make a boy know you're not blow. Inside, kill them with the know. Tell them Vegas said so. Me while you scream, rock out, wind up your body. And in the air car you wanna ray ray. One ship alone, can't stop on the fake. No boy might you know DJ. And sing again inside. Kill them with you know. Just make a punk
kill me in my club. Hands here! And somebody kill this asshole! Stay the fuck away from me! After I'm done with you, I'm putting a bullet in her. Snakes don't have a chance.
Shandi, you okay?
My ex-boyfriend's a dick.
Pretty much, yeah. I can't believe you got your ass kicked by that chump.
Did I mention that my ex-boyfriend's a dick?
You should go home and rest.
If by resting you mean smoking an ounce, then hell yeah.